controls used in entities. Now we're going to discuss radio button. Now the radio button basically allows users to choose only one of a predefined set of mutually exclusive options. Now you can double click on the icon or drag it to the attribute section, which is this one. I would prefer to drag it down like this. Now after the radio button has been selected as an attribute, users will need to define the property of the attribute selected, which is on the right hand side. Simply click on the radio button here and that'll bring up the property section consisting of different values here. I would like to refer to the existing radio button I've created just to make things easy. And now here in the property section, you have different properties for this particular attribute, which is first the name section. Like I discussed before, the name section is you only enter the name to define the field. This is not what is displayed as the text box, but just defines the field. And the text should be entered without any spaces. And if there are more than one word in the name, the starting letter of the second word should always be a capital letter or an uppercase letter. And the other one is caption. And now caption, the text entered in the caption section is displayed as the name of the field. So yeah, I've got it as availability, which is what shows here. Similarly, so this also basically shows the text entered in the name section, which I've already said before. And the default section, now values entered in this section will be displayed by default in the name field. Like say, I gave the example of Thomas. So basically say if this is a name field and if the name Thomas is entered in the default section, you'll show Thomas in the first name after the application is created. And then the data, now this another is a very important part here. Now this section allows users to add, to show in the radio button drop down all the items to show in the drop down can be added from here. Simply click on the edit option and then add the data by either selecting from an existing entity, or just click on the load from existing entity button, select the application, select the entity and the property you would want to load into the field or the radio group. Similarly, the other one is load from the combo box option. So select the combo box from this drop down, select the value, click save, and that'll be added to the radio group. Or a custom value. This is the other option where you can manually add text. So we've got this field name availability, so say yes or a no and so on, and click on save, and this data will be added to this particular radio button or radio group. And the last one is required section. So a required section is always, if it checked as required, this field cannot be left blank. Users will have to select the data or make sure the data is entered for this particular field.